In this video, I will show you how to use Jasper AI to write a blog. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on jasper.ai. So if you don't have an account, you can actually sign up for one for absolutely free. Currently at the time of filming, there is a 7-day free trial. So what you want to do first is go ahead and open up an account with Jasper. Once you've gone ahead and opened up your account and you've logged in, you're going to be taken to your dashboard, which is going to look like this. Now to go ahead and write a blog, it's very easy. All you want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and you want to click onto the blue create new content button. So now you're going to see some different templates. Now what you can do is just use a blank document, but because we're creating a blog, there's actually a template for a new blog post. So what you can do is go ahead and click onto this option, which is what we're going to do. And all we need to do now is fill out the boxes. So let's just say we're doing a blog on animals. So what I'm going to do for the blog topic is put 10 most beautiful animals, and that's going to be our topic. Then we can choose the tone of voice. So I'm just going to go for professional. And then you've got the intended audience. So you don't have to fill out all of these boxes, but you can just fill out the ones you want. Next, you've got the language options. This is in beta, but you want to put your input language. So I'm going to leave that as English, but if you want to change this, you can do. The output language is going to be English American, and the formality is set to default. So once that's done, all you want to do is come down and click the blue generate button down here. You'll see it's just going to take a minute to work and start generating the blog. Now, if we look to the right hand side, you can see we have the blog, and using this template, it's laid out in a format where you can see we got the blog title, along with the blog introduction and the main body of the blog, before coming to a conclusion at the end. So you can have a read through. If you do want to edit this further, all you need to do is actually click onto the blog and you can edit this further. So for example, I can add more text, like so, and I can go ahead and delete bits of the blog. And once you've made any changes, just come and click the preview button up here and you can see how this looks in the actual blog itself, the layout and everything like that. And then once you click anywhere away from the blog, you'll see it's going to come back and we're going to get our preview of our blog here. So you can see it's been updated. And then what you can do is copy this. You can open up in documents just by clicking the appropriate buttons, and you'll see it's going to go ahead and open this up as a document like so. And from here, what you can do is save the document as well. Or you can just simply copy this and paste it. If you're using like Google Docs or something like that, you can go ahead and copy and paste it onto a different program. So that's a quick tutorial on how to use Jasper AI to write a blog. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. If this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.